Make some noise.
How's it going, guys? Welcome to Random Vlogs with Nick, and today we're going to Leeds, going to an Ikea shop to look for some furniture. Like I said in a previous vlog that we are changing up a little bit of our living room. I'll show you this right now. This is the living room. Oh yeah, another thing we're gonna have to do today is we're gonna have to sell everything in the rooms here. Everything, literally the couch, table, the wall thing, this couch we're leaving, and that desk over there. So we're gonna have to sell because we're decorating all of this house. That wall is gonna be white and everything. And we're gonna put a couch there, and the TV is gonna be on this side. And it's gonna look pretty neat, pretty neat. I can't wait for it. It's gonna be awesome. I'm taking you guys with me, and Samko's here again.
Hello, and train track my toy. We're going and paint my bedroom, and Dominic, and Maria's, and downstairs, in the kitchen,
Okay. Okay. Do you want to say something else?
Yes.
What would you like to say? He says he doesn't know anymore. And we still have about 33 minutes to be in the car, and then we'll find out what we're gonna do there. So when we get there, I'll take you guys along. Guys, we're here, we're in Ikea, and trying to find a parking space is absolutely terrible because there's so many cars everywhere, so many people as well. But we finally made it. Dad's a champion at driving. Hello guys. Now we're at Ikea. This is kind of a show off rooms, and then we're gonna go that way, and then, I don't know, we're gonna get some food later. Yes, food. We are thinking of having a similar wall to this one. It's all plastic and it just looks very nice. And we're thinking of putting it in our living room. Like I said before. What? What's up? Flowers. Very nice flowers. This is cooking with Samko. Go on.
Going cooking? Yes.
You're going to cook.
A cookie.
You cooking?
Yeah. Yellow bean and
Okay. Shall we go now, Samko? No. Guys, everything here is so elegant and so awesome. Actually, it looks very, very nice here. Just look at that bookshelf. Look at this. This is beautiful. And then look at that bookshelf over there. That is really nice over there. Look at this living room. Wouldn't you love that little living room like this? Game over. Play again. Hell yeah, we're playing again. We never quit.
a ball.
A ball, basketball. Teraz prawej.
After me here now, and this is where a turtle. Me here and mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
It's happy, mommy. And I happy.
Yeah.
And there is I once there. And there, look.
Yeah, the couches here are absolutely gorgeous. Look everywhere. It's really nice here. Imagine doing 24 hours challenge here. I'm just kidding. I would never do something like that. Guys, we're at a restaurant right now in Ikea and we're gonna get something to eat. Yeah, we're going to get something to eat. and I'm just waiting here for my parents with my brother to get something to eat. And I'm hungry as fuck. Are you hungry, Samko?
Yeah.
We're all gonna eat. What are you drawing?
Here.
We're drawing a map.
Yeah.
Alright.
Me here.
And my parents also brought me a new chair for my room because I sit in the couch all the time. So I'm gonna get a nice chair. Thanks. I can't wait for the chair. It's gonna be awesome.
Hello guys. This is a drawing, and we need a pig, and we need a room now. We have a tiny clock.
Alright. Say
And
goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
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 I am absolutely full after that dinner. I ate after my mum and I ate after my brother as well as my portion. And I'm absolutely full. I feel like I'm gonna be sick. Samko, what are you doing? You going into the secret tunnel?
Yes.
Go on then, go into the secret tunnel. I'm coming with you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh my god. No, don't go in there. What are you doing? Don't go in there. No.
It's too high.
You already hit your head twice. Come on. Let me close it on you. Like that. Oh my god, we can't see you, Samko. Where have you gone?
Here I am.
Oh my gosh, you scared me. Come on, let's go outside.
I have to.
Careful, you're gonna hit your head.
Upside. Upside.
You're falling.
Let's go here.
Go on then. Go.
Yes, some more.
Go, go. Oh my gosh. Hi. This place is absolutely huge. We walked for about 2 hours now, and we finally got to the checkouts over there. And I got my chair right in the trolley. Tamko, what are you doing? Don't fall. And yeah, I'm really tired and I'm full of food. I don't know where he gets his energy from. I'm already half asleep. Tired. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Guys, we finally made it out of Ikea because the parking there was absolutely terrible. Like it was even worse than when we got there. We are heading home now, and I don't know what I'm going to do afterwards. Maybe it'll be the end of the vlog. Maybe we'll do something more. I'll try and build my chair and then show it to you guys. Maybe I'll build it while recording, and yeah, that'll be the end of the vlog. Samko is drawing right now and he's quite angry. He's mad because he doesn't want to go home. And yeah. Quite pretty outside. Just a little bit. Guys, that's West Hill right up there.
Oh, no.
Right up there. That's West Hill. And that bridge over there, right there, that's where I've vlogged before. I'll show you the vlog right now. That's the bridge that we've vlogged on before. That one right there. So guys, this is the thing I'm doing right now. This is the chair. Decent parts. Box is gonna be like the thing I put my back on, and it should be finished soon, hopefully. I'm just doing it right now, and when I'm finished with it, I'll show you how it looks. Alright, here is the finished product, if you could even see it in my room, because it's really low light, and it's quite awesome. Now this couch right here, which I've been sitting on for a very long time, is gonna go. I'm gonna try and sell it. So guys, I want this to be like an outro, saying thank you for all the support I've been getting throughout my YouTube channel, saying that I should not quit and saying that I should carry on doing this, because just I don't know, you just say that I should carry on probably because you're trying to self-promote your YouTube channel, but it doesn't matter, I like it anyway, it still supports me. And did you hear that voice break? Jesus Christ. And yeah, I'm sitting in my new chair, it's quite comfy. Okay, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, why don't leave it a like and subscribe, it'll help out a lot. So yeah, leave any suggestions what I should do for my next random vlog. I have no idea, it's just gonna be random like the first one and this one. And yeah, so many years, I say so many years. Peace out, see you in the next video.